In today's workplace, one of the most important skills you can build is basic computer literacy. While many of us are comfortable with smartphones, most jobs require the ability to use desktop and laptop computers. From writing resumes and sending emails to managing data and creating presentations, computer skills are essential for both entry-level and advanced positions. So what is computer literacy? Computer literacy skills refer to the ability to confidently use computers, software applications, and digital tools to complete everyday tasks. These skills include knowing how to type, navigate operating systems, use word processing and spreadsheet programs, create presentations, send emails, browse the internet safely, and manage files. Building computer literacy means learning the key tools used in most workplaces. Programs like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with skills such as emailing, browsing the internet, organizing files, and using shortcuts. Each serves a specific purpose, from writing and organizing information to communicating with others and managing tasks efficiently. Together, these tools form the foundation of computer literacy and are critical for success in both school and professional settings. Microsoft Word is widely used across industries for writing reports, letters, and resumes. Microsoft Excel is a key tool for organizing and analyzing data, often used to track sales, schedules, and budgets. Learning its formulas and charts not only simplifies tasks, but also shows employers you can manage detailed, numbers-based work. Microsoft PowerPoint helps create clear, engaging presentations using slides, visuals, and bullet points. Whether for school projects or workplace updates, it's an essential tool for sharing ideas and communicating effectively. Email is another essential workplace tool. Platforms like Outlook or Gmail are used daily to send updates, confirm appointments, and schedule interviews. Unlike texting, email requires professionalism in tone and accuracy in details. Beyond basic programs, employees need skills with browsers, file management, and shortcuts. Using tools like Chrome or Edge, organizing files in File Explorer, and applying commands like Control-C or Control-V improve efficiency, prevent mistakes, and support smooth workflow in a digital workplace. These skills also show employers that you can manage information responsibly and adapt to different tasks quickly. In many careers, being able to find resources online, keep files organized, and work faster with shortcuts can make daily responsibilities less stressful and more productive. Mastering these tools not only prepares individuals to succeed in school and on the job, but also opens the door to a promising future and a great career.